Let's explore the definition of done in Agile methodologies. The definition of done is about establishing clear completion criteria in Agile projects. The definition of done is a shared understanding within the team on what it means for a work to be considered complete. This ensures that all the necessary tasks are finished before a product increment is considered done. Key benefits of having a well-defined definition of done includes creating transparency, ensuring quality standards, reducing technical debt, and aligning team expectations. It's important to differentiate between the definition of done and acceptance criteria. The definition of done comprises team-wide quality standards that apply to all work items, such as user stories. It focuses on technical quality, is owned by the entire team, evolves over time, and represents organizational standards. On the other hand, acceptance criteria are specific conditions that must be met for a particular user story. These are unique to each user story, focuses on business requirements, is defined by the product owner, is fixed for a given story, and represents stakeholder expectations. The definition of done can be applied at various levels, including the story level, sprint level, and release level. At the story level, it might include tasks such as code complete, unit tests passed, code reviewed, acceptance criteria met, and documentation updated. At the sprint level, it may involve ensuring that all stories are done, integration tests are passed, there are no high-priority bugs, the sprint demo is completed, and the product owner has provided approval. Finally, at the release level, it could include performance testing being done, security testing passed, user documentation being complete, deployment scripts being ready, and stakeholder sign-off. Let's consider a sample definition of done for a web development team. For each user story, the following criteria should be met. The code must follow the team's coding standards. Unit tests should be written and passing with a minimum of 80% coverage. A code review should be completed by at least one peer. Integration tests must be passing. The acceptance criteria should be verified and approved by the product owner. Documentation should be updated, including API and user guides, if applicable. The feature should be deployed to a staging environment. And lastly, the accessibility requirements should be met according to Web Content Accessibility Guidelines version 2.1, level AA. Here are the steps in creating your definition of done. Number 1. Collaborate. Involve the entire team in creating the definition of done, including developers, testers, the product owner, and the Scrum Master. Number 2. Identify quality standards. Determine what good looks like, considering technical requirements, testing requirements, documentation needs, and compliance requirements. Number 3. Make it visible. Ensure the definition of done is accessible to everyone, posting it in the team workspace, including it in digital tools, reviewing it during planning, and referencing it in retrospectives. Number 4. Evolve over time. Regularly review and improve the definition of done, discussing it in retrospectives, adjusting it based on feedback, adding new quality standards, and removing outdated items. When implementing an effective definition of done, keep the following in mind. Keep it concise and achievable, avoiding an overly long list that becomes ignored. Review and update your definition of done regularly as the team matures and processes evolve. Ensure everyone understands and commits to the definition of done, as it's a team agreement. Use the definition of done as a quality gate, not just a checklist. It should drive behavior. A clear definition of done creates transparency, builds trust, and ensures consistent quality delivery. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.